Hello, Stillwell 8th graders. This is Mr. Johnson. I want to quickly discuss our career day opportunity that we have next week on Tuesday morning. There are a few guidelines to be aware of to make sure the day runs smoothly. First, I want to tell you about our fortunate opportunity. We have 24 different career presentations. These pictures show a couple different examples of what we have. We have a physician, auto technician, flight attendant, some different computer opportunities, an engineer, a restaurant manager, an attorney, and many, many more. Each presenter will be in a designated location around the school. You will know where to go based on what your schedule indicates. The schedule for Tuesday morning goes like this. You will start the day in Tiger Time at 7:35. There you will receive three different things, which we'll talk about here in a second, and then go right on to your first session. First session starts at 7:40, and each session will run for 30 minutes. You will have a total of 5 sessions, and in between each session, there will be a 5-minute passing period to get to your next one. When you finish at 10:30 with your last session, you will go back to your Tiger Time. It'll give you an opportunity to just kind of refresh on how the day went and also get ready to go on to lunch or for 4th hour at 10:40. When you start in Tiger Time on Tuesday morning, you will receive 3 items. First thing you will receive is a name tag. You will also receive a brochure and a schedule. Your name tag is going to be used to allow the presenter to know who you are, as well as be used for attendance, since there will be a teacher in each room taking attendance. Please make the name tag visible for the presenter and the teacher in the room so that they know your name if you are called on or if you're asking those questions. Second thing you're going to receive is a brochure. The brochure will identify locations of presenters as well as the presenter names. Use this to help navigate your day. The last thing you're going to receive is your specific schedule. You will notice the 5 different sessions identified on there based on what you had picked when we signed up for our career day. Attendance will be taken at each one of the sessions, so you need to make sure you go to your designated career listed on your schedule. A few things to keep in mind. Remember that the presenters are from our community taking time out of their day to talk to us. You are representing Stillwell, so there's some things that we really need to make sure we do during the day. Number 1 is make sure you be on time to each of the sessions. As I said, attendance will be taken at each one, so make sure you're there before the time is for that presenter to start, so there isn't a distraction of you coming in late. Second thing is just being respectful. Make sure that you are not talking during the presentations and not being a distraction to the presenters as they are presenting. And then number 3, make sure you ask questions. Obviously, when it's appropriate, there may be time during the presentation or after the presentation when the presenter will be asking for questions. But this is a good opportunity if you have some questions about that career to ask those questions. And one other thing we want to make sure you do on Tuesday is dress for success. You can either wear dress clothes those days or wear your Stillwell apparel. But just make sure that you just remember again that you are representing Stillwell, and we want to make sure that we're presenting ourselves in an appropriate way. The number 1 goal of the day is that you enjoy the experience. We hope that you take away a lot from the presentations and that you have some ideas of possibly what you might want to do later on. As the day goes on, feel free to ask questions of the presenters that we said before, and just take it all in. There's no requirements for you for that day, but just to learn more about careers and enjoy a little time away from your regular classes. Thank you very much.